Square Appointments Booking Platform Review. Usage Experience. Welcome to our Square Appointments review. Links to the platform and related resources are included in the description below. Let's dive into the features, target audience, and why this platform stands out in the booking software market. Square Appointments is an all-in-one booking platform designed for small businesses, solo entrepreneurs, and service providers who want to simplify scheduling and streamline their operations. Whether you're running a salon, a fitness studio, or a consultancy, Square Appointments combines appointment management with robust business tools to create a seamless experience. One of its core features is the real-time online booking system, which allows clients to view your availability, book appointments, and even pay online, all in one platform. The booking page can be customized to reflect your brand, and if you already have a website, Square Appointments integrates effortlessly, enabling you to add booking functionality. What makes Square Appointments unique is its integration with Square's powerful ecosystem. Payments are fully integrated, allowing you to accept upfront payments, charge deposits, or set cancellation fees. This feature reduces no-shows and ensures smoother cash flow. For in-person appointments, it connects seamlessly with Square's POS system for efficient transactions. The platform also includes automated reminders via email or text, helping reduce missed appointments and improving client communication. If your business requires recurring bookings, group scheduling, or resource management, Square Appointments has you covered with flexible options tailored to various industries. Its staff management tools are particularly noteworthy. You can assign appointments, set individual schedules, and track performance for multiple team members, all from one dashboard. Additionally, Square Appointments offers integration with Google Calendar, allowing you to keep everything synchronized across platforms. For businesses that are scaling, the platform provides advanced features like inventory tracking, customer profiles, and reporting tools, giving you insights into sales trends and client behavior. Best of all, there's a free plan for solo users, with affordable pricing tiers for growing teams. In conclusion, Square Appointments is a feature-rich platform that simplifies booking while offering a suite of tools to help businesses grow. If you're looking for an intuitive and scalable scheduling solution, this is a great choice. Check out the links in the description to learn more and get started.